Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Hi guys! Hi guys! Ano kami tanga? Nag-vlog kami sa... Nag-vlog ako sa bus. Saan tayo pupunta? Hello! Hi! Are you ready? No! No! We're gonna go on a tour. No! No! I don't want this tour to happen, but I said yes to it already. Fudge! Okay. For the fun, for the fun. Isipin mo lang for the fun. Yun na lang.
Yeah.
Hello. We're back.
Oh look, oh, it's moving. Asa na ba siya?
But then she stopped it from moving.
Oh, pinito na.
So it's still moving. Can you stop? If you guys don't know where I'm at, I am at... Medyo shaky ang hand ko, pasensya na. It's quite cold right now. It's raining outside, and I'm here at Loose Leaf Tea House. I'm actually gonna take pictures of some of their best sellers today, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. Pero umuli din ako ng tuna pesto kasi ang sarap ng tuna pesto nila dito. And if you guys want to know where this is located at the back of Dominican College in San Juan. It is, 39A Bonifacio Street, corner Don Ejercito Street, San Juan City. I'll give you guys information on how to get here via Google Maps para tsaka yung ano yung mga sasakyan nyo if you're coming from Cubao or if you're coming from Manila, kasi I think there are some jeepneys that pass by Dominican College from Divisoria, so madali lang talaga siyang puntahan. Yun. Ang sarap ng tuna pesto. Naamoy ko yung tuna pesto. One of their best sellers is actually tuna pesto, and one of my favorite as well. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys in a while. Medyo chill muna ako dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Ito yung tuna pesto nila. And what I can say is, oh my God. Ito na po ang tuna pesto natin. I haven't eaten anything solid today. Kaya ito pala yung una kong kakainin, diba? So, sa'yo.